Hey, it's Sam back here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can transform regular opt-in forms like these into welcome pages like these, or live pre-launch events like these into viral traffic-getting campaigns that pull in traffic from email, chat software, and social networks automatically, literally generating their own traffic, leveraging email and social media for absolutely free. This is GrowViral. It's a software that specializes in doing three key things: increasing your traffic, leads, and sales. To install GrowViral, simply set up a campaign, then swap out your old forms for GrowViral forms like this, or add GrowViral to your product thank you pages like this, or use GrowViral within your product launch campaigns or event-related campaigns like these to build a massive hype, attention, and a big list of interested prospects fast and for free. And that's just the beginning. Let me show you how it works. When a subscriber joins your list, you can offer them incentives to share your opt-in, website, webinar page, or product page with their friends. They receive a unique link with some additional quick links to instantly share as easily as possible. From there, as people click through their links, your subscriber earns points which unlock rewards and give them an increased chance of winning a grand prize, like a $10 discount off a particular product of yours, or access to a new training product, or a free coffee for their next order. As more and more people join your subscriber list after seeing your offers being shared across social media, email, or chat tools like Instagram, WhatsApp, or Skype, more and more people see your offer, more and more sharing occurs, and your campaign can grow exponentially viral with the right offer for free in a very short amount of time. That's why this software is so powerful. It combines the highest earning form of marketing on the internet, email, and the most viral traffic sources on the internet, social media websites. Then finishes it off by leveraging humans' natural instincts to and love for competition and viral rewards to drive massive amounts of traffic to your campaigns. And all you need to do is add one of your forms to your website: opt-in page, product page, or welcome pages. So if that sounds good, let me show you how this software works and how easy it is to set up right now. First, log in and start your campaign. Set up some goals and milestones for your new brand advocates. Choose how many rewards you want to give out per action, then continue. Now you can choose what reward you're giving away and the amount of points an advocate needs to get in order to unlock that reward. Or alternatively, if you want to give away, for example, a grand prize, then here is where you can enter in that grand prize. A person can win based on who is selected at the end of the sweepstakes. Hit continue. Choose how many grand prize winners you'd like to select and how you'd like to select those winners. Then you can now customize how your campaign looks and feels. Start with a style or the lead form of your choice. Customize it to suit your brand or your page that you want to embed it on. Then customize your thank you page. This is the page that people see after registering through your opt-in campaign form. On the thank you page, you can select how your new advocates share your page. They each receive a unique link which is theirs. Anytime they share this link and an action occurs, they receive points. You can also, on this page, provide your advocates with a number of additional links to help them to share from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. With these buttons activated, they can now, within just a couple of clicks, be able to share their referral link and your page across all of these different platforms. Finally, choose whether you'd like to show an interactive to-the-minute leaderboard or the milestones people can hit, and click continue. Then adjust the social appearance of your campaign. So anytime that anyone shares it, it's going to promote your brand in a way that stands out and grabs attention. Customize which emails are sent out from the system, how they look and what's written. Then adjust the final settings of your campaign and choose a start date. That's it. You can now either embed your form onto your chosen web page, website, or client site, or use your own custom URL as a landing page for your contest. And that's all. Your GrowViral campaign is ready to go. Share your link with your friends over Facebook, email your link to your subscribers, advertise on your website, add it to your pre-launch campaigns or webinars. For no additional work, automatically grow traffic to your website, grow your subscriber list, make more sales, all on autopilot, all with GrowViral. So let's say, for example, that you wanted to grow your subscriber list. You've already got an opt-in page where you're giving away something people within your niche want. Problem is that it's not that motivating for people to share. They just subscribe, download your free giveaway, and then that's it. simply by replacing your ordinary opt-in form with a new GrowViral form. Every subscriber that joins your list is invited to receive discount coupons, additional download gifts, and more, all on autopilot for simply sharing your page across social media with their friends. Quickly double, triple, or even quadruple the size of your list simply using GrowViral. So what are you waiting for? GrowViral can grow your traffic, subscribers, and sales, whatever your campaign, website, or client project. Get access today for this low one-time special price. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for listening. I'm Sam Becker. I'll see you on the inside.